Packing large items feels like a high-stakes gamble, but it doesn't have to be. What if the most common way people use bubble wrap is completely wrong? The bubbles go in. This isn't a random tip. It's the first step to creating a full suspension system for your item, and a simple professional action proves if you did it right. The No Rattle Test. To pass that test every time, we'll break down 3 keys: the right type, the right size, and the right price. First, size. For large, heavy, or bulky items, the rule is simple: go big. Small bubbles will compress and bottom out. A 20mm bubble diameter creates a large air pocket. This pocket functions as a durable airbag, absorbing major shocks. But bubble size is only half the story. The plastic itself matters. You need to check the film thickness for durability. For items with sharp corners, a thin film punctures, losing all cushioning. A 3-layer wrap adds a flat sheet, resisting punctures, so you need large bubbles and a thick film. But what if your item is non-standard or a specialized product? This is where type becomes vital. For example, what's the one type of bubble wrap you absolutely must use for large electronics? Keep watching. The answer is anti-static bubble wrap, usually pink. Regular plastic creates static that can destroy circuits in TVs or computers. Next, for industrial parts with sharp edges, you need heavy-duty wrap. It has a reinforced multi-layer construction. For something needing cushioning and rigidity, there are corrugated paper rolls. It is flexible cardboard that adds a tough, structural outer layer to your pack. Let's see this in action. For a wooden table, combining bubble wrap with a corrugated paper roll is ideal. The cardboard prevents scuffs, while the bubbles absorb shock. For a highly fragile item like a large mirror, one layer is not enough. Use multiple layers, alternating the wrap's direction. Once your item is wrapped, the job isn't done. Empty space in the box is the enemy. Use large bubble wrap to fill these voids. But when it comes to just filling empty space, is bubble wrap always the most cost-effective choice for the job? For pure void fill, air pillows can be cheaper and lighter. But bubble wrap gives superior direct contact cushioning for the item itself. This brings up a serious question. Are there times when you should avoid bubble wrap altogether, even for direct wrapping? Yes. For very heavy items over 7 kilograms, or those with sensitive surfaces, foam padding is often the better option. Bubble wrap is like a car's airbag for a one-time impact. Foam is the car's suspension, providing constant structural support. But even a perfect wrap or foam will fail if you make this common mistake: using a weak, old, or oversized box. So we have the right material, the right technique, and the right box. How do we bring this all together to balance protection and cost? Remember our first rule: bubbles in? With large bubbles, this creates a focused suspension system, cradling the item perfectly. Now, let's talk price. Bubble wrap's strength-to-weight ratio means maximum protection without adding significant shipping costs. True cost efficiency also means thinking long-term. High-quality bubble wrap is reusable, lowering your overall cost. And the final proof that you've mastered this system? We return to the beginning. The No Rattle Test. You now have a complete system for protection and cost efficiency. But what about the impact of all this plastic? The good news is that better answers are available. Eco-friendly honeycomb paper wrap and biodegradable options now offer comparable protection. Choosing the right bubble wrap isn't guesswork. It's a calculated decision, balancing your item's needs against type, size, and cost. So recall the 3 golden rules. 1. Use large bubbles for large items and always face them inward. 2. Use specialized wrap for special items. And 3. Your wrapping is only as good as your box. Always aim to pass the No Rattle Test. You are now equipped to pack any large item like a professional. For our full guide with product recommendations, see the description. Pack smart, ship safe, and we will see you in the next video.